Hey everyone, we're going to end up going into the Princeton model over here at Lennar. This is over in Amelia Walk, which is an area in between Yulee and Amelia Island, more towards Amelia Island than it is towards Yulee area. This is Lennar, and let's go take a look at the house. So recording. Okay, so this is the Princeton. Okay. Come right on in.
Technically an office, but it has an office.
So we're going to see a bedroom right here immediately. There's no power to this house, so I apologize if it's too dark. Another bedroom here. Good size space. And then you have a spare bathroom here. It's got a light in it. As you come in this way, you have a very good size area here that you can use as a flex room, bonus room, whatever you want to call it. Formal living room.
It's actually.
You're going to come over this way. This would actually go down to, we're going to come back to that. Another bedroom here. You use it as an office if you need to. We go this way so you can actually see because there's no power. This is where your washer and dryer is going to be at, and it comes in right off of the garage. You have a sink here. Again, great idea for you if you come home from work or outside playing or whatever, to be able to take off your clothes and everything. Good size space here again. Come through. It's nice and open. Gives you that large feel to it as you go to the main room, and you can kind of look back towards the bonus area there, living room, whatever you want to call it. Has a good sized kitchen with a large Corian countertop. And then you have your formal dining room over on this side with a door. They don't have appliances in here yet as the house is still being built. And again, you have triple sliders here. Say hi, Gigi. And she goes into the darkened waves there. Try it again. Say hi, Gigi. Say hi, Gigi. There we go. That's better. All right. Right into the shadow there. Okay, going into the master. And this one here is going to have a door also to lead out. Good size. You got the walk-in closet here. So you can see inside. Again, using my trusty handy flashlight there. Good long double sinks in the bathroom. And then you have your tub and a shower. Look down just a little bit, there you go. That's going to be a closet and then your water closet. Come back out this way, and of course it's going to have a 3-car garage on this model. And we have decent sized back patio area. And again, this one here is on a pond, so you're not getting a humongous yard. Reserve lots tend to be a little bit bigger here. But that's a retention pond, and they're doing a lot of work around this area, so see a little bit of silt down in there. But that's what the back of the house is going to look like. And of course, it's going to be screened in, and that's exactly the same model that's right there, so you can see the doors and everything else, the way it's going to look on the back of the house. So, really good area. This is over in Amelia Island area, more towards in between Amelia Island and Yulee. Let's go take a look at the amenity center over here at Amelia Walk. So if you like the home, make sure you end up leaving comments down below. If you have questions or anything else, make sure you contact us and we'll be glad to help you out. I'm not going to give you a price on this house right now because prices obviously go up all the time right now. So if you have questions or anything else, I'll try and get you the most updated version of the sheets for the prices. But thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.